each task will enqueue the requirements for itself. So in this case, we have the build module task, which will do the work of implementing, like, let's say this burner to burner, which will be the two coal mining burner drills putting coal into each other. So this requires 2 burner mining drills, which will then get calculated here, and will create the craft recipe task for the required number of burner mining drills. And then the craft recipe task will enqueue the gather resources task. Gather resources task will figure out what it needs to do in order to get the ingredients, and then you'll be crafting this stuff. So it's a little bit of priority stuff because the tasks handle the dependencies before they move on to actually doing their own work. But there will probably be some prioritized work that I need to get done. In terms of that, I have a tool manager, which each tick checks if you need a new tool. If you do need a new tool, it will prioritize and queue a craft recipe task for that axe, like for whatever it is. So in this case, it's make sure you have an iron axe of at least 0.5 durability. So that's my jam at the moment. I'm probably going to need to improve the gather resources task. Right now, it just sets the player gather resources task sets an objective up in the top left of the screen, which will then tell you, hey, go and get blah 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 tasks, go and get blah 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 resources, and then once you've done that, then it moves on. It gives you the next thing. So I probably will actually keep going with that in here if I make this a player gather resources task, and that will give us sort of like putting a little bit of control on me, just so that it makes me do my stuff, you know, makes me do some stuff. Okay, so let's require that. This is going to be controllers, tasks. King's Eats Queen. I'm about to run it once I get this this build working. Icarus, it's a helper right now. It will be fully automated, but in order to facilitate agile development, I'm doing it piece by piece. So it still gives me some stuff to do while I haven't implemented that task in the AI yet. So this is the player gather resources task with a lowercase p. Okay. So this will be player, great. Okay, so that will work. Player gather resources will work. This should work. Place building, build module task. Okay, and then this is still asking me for a player place building. So this will still tell me to build the buildings. Zombie Rum Ninja, yes, you got me. I'm using royalty free music. Okay, let's do it. Let's make it run. Will it blend? Alright. Minus 97 is actually to the left, and then south is... Wait, oh, minus 67. I didn't see this negative sign here. Minus 97, negative 67. Oh my god. Negative 60, minus 7. Okay, great. So that's right where I'm standing now. And I'm going to face east. Okay, stone furnace. Okay. Please put a burner miner drill. So we didn't trigger the fetching resources thingy because I cannot build a burner miner drill. So what do we know? What did we do wrong here? My control build module task. Build module should figure out the craft recipe task, but instead we got straight down to the player place building task for that building. So why did it not work? No overlay error. I did experiment with overlay error, with no overlay error, but it didn't. It doesn't tell you which direction. It's only once you get that place on the screen that it puts the arrow down, which is unfortunate. Okay. Heisenbergizer. Is it possible to build and program control computers inside the game? Program with the text interface, that is. I mean, I guess you could build a mod that implements a GUI for it, but it would be really hard. It'd be really hard. Okay, so why did this not get hit? Let's bring up the debug for it. So, we require, well, actually, let's do that in here. We require a count type. Module. Info is incredibly high, but it's okay. Especially since this is going to run. Actually, it should only run once before it kicks me into the craft recipe task. Oh, unless push next didn't go into the right place. Hang on a minute. Let me just make sure I'm not insane. Goal machine, push next. I am insane. Should be push single. Okay, so push next is designed to add a list of push next is designed to add a list of tasks into the goal machine, but starting from the next one. So you finish this task and you do more stuff next. Push single pushes one task and you should do it right now, and then next you'll come back to the task that you were in, and then push single next is take one task and push it next. So yeah, that's how that works. And then in queue, wait, what's the other one? Push single next. Oh, push start, push next, in queue, whatever. This should fix it, but I have a log line anyway. So let me just bring up my Git. Oh, I need the other one. Nuts. This is going to be app data. Roaming, Factorio, script output. And now we get to see the computer as it's thinking. We're going to put it that you guys will be able to see. I guess I could put it like down here. And then Factorio, I guess I can move Factorio a little bit. I don't want to move it. Maybe I bunch it over here. Alright, that's better. Okay. And Lua script error. It worked. Okay, great. Okay, so I have a bono to phono, so that makes sense. It wants me to run all the way up to this iron patch up here. Good job, Icarus. Negative 85. This one? Can't be that one. It's got to be this one. There we go. Stone furnace. Why are we not logging the we require stuff? Am I not doing the loop correctly? That would make some sense. But I should see for the module, I should see like we require blah blah blah. Okay. Build module task. Required buildings. Is this not working? Does anybody know how to work Lua? If not, this thing. Okay. Give me the REPL, yo. If not foo, hello, then foo, hello, equals world. Attempted to end. What? I just declared a local, you fool. Rar. Okay. What the hell is going on? Okay. Let's try this then. Oh, what? Come on. Trying to indent my code. Just doesn't want me to. Okay. Required buildings equals something, and then we also want to do like buildings equals some table, and the table is going to have type equals hello, among other things. Type equals hello. I misspelled the equal sign. Are you trolling me? Did I put a double equals where I should have put a single equals? No, I don't think so. Come on, man. I'm trying to debug here. Alright. At least put a kappa. Okay. This is going to be buildings. Oh, in here? Oh, okay. Buildings. Bridlings. Well, it doesn't matter. Everything's nil anyway. Print. Okay, so that works. I don't know what print on the table does. Okay, I guess I could have expected that. Hello. Aha! It's nil. Oh, required buildings. It's too late for me. Okay, so does this work then with the not? It does work. Okay, so what this is telling me, is there an exist function? Kind of. It's probably like table.hasKey or something like that. Lua is stupid. The table is the same thing as an array. Okay, but this works, right? Because we get hello and we get world. So, yeah. Why do we get nothing in here? I guess I should verify it with IPES. Maybe IPES is my problem. Type count in IPES required buildings. Do end. Print. Type. Okay. Is this not going to work? Oh, type is a bad word. Oh, maybe that's my problem. Is that what type is? Unfinished string. Oh, no, that's not the problem. There we go. Okay. Aha! Oh, Lua. So IPES is for an array. PES is for a table. I love Lua. Lua is my favorite programming language in the whole world. It's so great. You never get dumb bugs because they use the same type for arrays and tables. Yes! We got an error. We finally did it. Okay. Craft recipe, bad argument to index. Expect a string. Got null. Line 15, recipe task. I didn't pass a recipe. Wait. Didn't pass a recipe?